Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Wednesday today, which is my day off during the week. I do work Saturdays because Saturdays do get crazy busy, so I do get a day off during the week. And I'm about to head out now, but I really wanted to carry my brand new handbag. And before I do that, I wanted to quickly come on here and film the unboxing for it. Before we get into the video, as always, if you're new here, welcome. My name is Isabelle and I do new videos every single week relating to high-low fashion styling. So I do a lot of videos on luxury bags and shoes and accessories. And also I do a lot of videos on affordable clothing finds. So if this is something that you like as well, I'd love it if you subscribe to my channel. And if you like this video and you like my new bag as well, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. So as you can see from the title, it is a Louis Vuitton bag, and I just picked up the Pochette Metis bag in the monogram canvas. If you saw my very first video on YouTube, you know that I recently purchased the Louis Vuitton Pochette Metis bag in the empreinte leather in the rose poudre color, which is the really nice baby pink color. That purchase was a very thought out purchase and I really explored options and decided on that one. Whereas this one is a little bit of an impulse purchase, but not really, because I really wanted this bag for a really long time. But if you're a Louis Vuitton lover, you know that this bag is just so hard to find in stores these days. They're always sold out. And they literally, we used to have wait lists, but now they don't even do wait lists anymore. So you have to go in, and if you're lucky and there's one in the store, you can get it. But if there isn't, you just have to keep trying and try your luck. So I went into a Louis Vuitton store the other day in the Rocks in Sydney, and I literally went in to just check out some wallets when I bought my Zoe wallet, and I did an unboxing on my Zoe wallet as well, so I'll link it up here somewhere. And I really wanted to check out the empreinte version of that wallet because it wasn't available online, and I thought it would go perfectly with my Louis Vuitton Pochette Metis in that rose poudre empreinte one. And I went in just to check that one out, and I really randomly just mentioned to the sales associate that was there, I said, oh, you know, I just purchased the empreinte leather version of the Pochette Metis because I can never find the monogram one and you guys never have it. And I literally wasn't even asking, but she said, oh, we got the bag 15 minutes ago and we have one, like literally one in the store. And I was like, can I have a look? And I did go and have a look, and literally 5 minutes from seeing the bag to purchasing it. That was probably the fastest purchase I've ever made. And literally I just bought it on the spot because I knew if I didn't get it then, I would not be able to find it again. So without further ado, I am quickly going to unbox this now because I rambled on way too much. I'm just a little bit excited for this purchase because I thought I'd never be able to get a brand new from the store. So it comes in this beautiful box, and she did such an amazing job of wrapping this up. So this is the ribbon. So oh, I feel really sad undoing the ribbon, so I might just slip it off because it is so beautiful. So let me slip that off. Not that I'm ever going to use a ribbon again, but I don't know why I feel sad undoing the ribbon. So this is the box, and I'm going to open up the box, the magnetic box. There's a receipt there, and at the moment, I know a lot of people don't like mentioning prices, but this is a luxury handbag and this is what I love. And if you have clicked on this, you know that it is going to be a decent amount of money that these things cost. So this one, at the moment in Australia, there's my address on it, so I won't show, but at the moment in Australia it retails for $2,540, which I know it is a little bit steep for a canvas bag, but it is a really nicely constructed bag, so I actually don't mind the price point. And to open up the actual bag, the bag is in here. I can't wait to see it. And this is my beautiful Pochette Metis in the monogram canvas, which I never thought I'd get my hands on. Sorry, I keep saying that, but I just literally was so amazed at how lucky I was. So I actually don't normally just purchase a bag on a whim. I actually do really budget for my purchases, and I actually have a very, very strategic plan when I'm saving up for a bag, or you know, I have like a wish list and I really think about my purchases. So it's very unlike me to just go in and make a really quick decision and buy a bag. But this particular bag, if I didn't buy it there and then and I could never find it again, I'd be kicking myself for it. So I just had to get the bag. So definitely was not ready to buy another bag, but it just had to be done. So this is the bag. It is perfect actually. I actually once saw a Louis Vuitton unboxing video on this bag from Shea Whitney. I absolutely love her channel. She's one of the reasons why I started this channel, because she really inspired me so much, and I'm sure she won't ever really come across my videos or anything, but when I saw her unboxing, she actually received a crooked version. So when I was in the store, I was so glad that I watched that video beforehand so I could actually inspect the bag and make sure that it was scented, because sometimes I get really excited and I forget to check the bag properly before I buy it. So it was really helpful, so that was great. Just quickly going over the bag, exactly like my on-front one, it is a flap style bag with a top handle. Oh, it is just so beautiful, and when you turn it around to the back, you've got the zipper pocket and you can put something like your phone in there, and then it is exactly the same. You open up the clasp, so they call this the S-lock. So this is a push lock type of thing. And I find it's a lot easier to close when the bag is full because you've got something to push against. But anyway, one of these buttons pushes in and the other one's stationary, and it opens up and releases the lock. And when you open it up, I love how the interior is actually that microfiber lining. The on-front one, I'll quickly show you now. I really love this bag as well. So this is my other baby. I really love this bag as well. But for the price point, I feel like it has that fabric lining, which is really, really pretty and nice. But I just think that the microfiber lining just adds something a little bit more luxurious to the bag. And yeah, that makes this bag really nice. And while I've got the other bag out as well, I'll quickly just show you what they look like side by side. They are so beautiful. And then you've got the shoulder strap that you can attach to the bag, which is actually fully adjustable. It's got 5 holes, so you can have 5 different lengths for this shoulder strap. And it is actually super easy to attach. So you just clip it on the D-ring on the side of the bag and do the same on the other side. So that's the shoulder strap attached, and at the end of the video I am going to again show you modeling shots of me wearing the bag as I usually do, because I think it does give people a good idea on the size of the bag and what the bag looks like when you wear it. So I'm actually going to carry this today, so I am going to put everything in there that I normally carry and quickly show you once I packed it full. So I just packed my bag up with everything that I'd carry today, so I'll quickly show you. It actually fits a lot. And I did show you in the other video when I revealed my pink one as well, but I've got everything in there. As you can see, I actually have a bigger wallet at the moment that I'm using. So this is a Louis Vuitton Capucine's wallet in the smaller size. And I really love this wallet, and I do swap out my wallets every now and then. I like to have a few options and rotate between them so I don't end up wearing out one particular wallet way too much, and it just gives me a little variety and it makes me happy when I open up my bag and I've got something really pretty sitting in there. And so I actually don't mind having a few wallets in my collection that I can rotate between. Before I purchased this one a while ago, I could not find a lot of reviews on it. So if you guys are considering this wallet, or if you want to know a little bit more about this one, I will be so excited to do a review for you guys, so do let me know in the comments below and I'll get to that. So the bag can be hand carried like this, which is just so classy, and this vachetta leather is very comfortable to hold. And this is what the bag looks like on me, just one over the shoulder, over one shoulder, and it looks so nice and chic. And lastly, this is what the bag looks like crossbody. And it is just a really good size crossbody bag. It's not too small. You can still fit a lot of things in it, but it is not too big, so it's still easy enough to carry around and be really lightweight. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this bag probably a lot because I really, really love it. It is so chic and it is just something different than the pink one. I mean, the pink one's beautiful and I don't normally buy 2 of the same bags for my handbag collection, but when I saw this, it was different enough for me to justify the purchase. So I'm gonna use it for a little while, and if you guys want an updated review on this bag at some point, let me know in the comments below as well. I know there are so many reviews on this bag already on YouTube, and so many people already have talked about it and done a lot of videos on it, but everyone's experience is different, and if you do want another viewpoint on this bag, I'd be so happy to share mine. So do let me know if you do want my review on this in a few months after I used it. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you like this bag, also give it a thumbs up, and I can't wait to see you again soon. Bye guys!